Here, and today I'm doing Clash of Clans. So what we're gonna be doing here is one live raid, and I'm gonna show you two attacks, and that's this one and this one. I mean three attacks. This one, and this one. So first let's find a good base. Let's find a good base with high loot. Does he has air defenses? Nope. And he has 20,000 elixir. So let's attack that. Here we go. He's following. Of course, archery. Archery. Boom! Bada bing, bada boom. There we go, and can we start this? Can we restart this? Or even 2 stars? Or even 3 stars? We don't know. We just don't care. Yeah, oh. Good thing that Mr. got right into that one. Start this. Let me start this. 2 stars for the win. No. Right there, huh? Right there. Come on. Okay. I can't restart this. We got like 1 4 huh? 6,000. So we got 5,000 elixir and 39,000 gold. Woo! And 12 trophies. Cups. So first let's show this. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. So I just targeted the elixir. Trying to get all the gold and elixir. Go. Shut up. So 2 stars for the win. Then come on. And our last one. Wait. Is that? Oh yeah. We forgot one attack. And it's this one. I don't know, 5 of them. Go. Tentative for the defense. Please go there. Good thing there is no visitors. Spawn some giants. The giants. sent. There's 2 bullets out there. Can we get it? Can we get it? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Goodbye. Peace out.